Omuhwezi wa President arukwirukanjira okombeka kanisa ya St Philip's Church of Uganda ashabira abazire okushomesa abana babo.
Will continue to be equipped, and also the teachers, instructors or lecturers will continue to be taken care of by government. I call upon all of you to send all the children to school, both boys and girls.
The government of the Republic of Uganda kanaho mutakwataho mutureke urukwenda kutahajirata kubera abashobere education yanyu mujefere nayo.
Bamwe abanyamitoma borekere mwahabiriyo n'ubigaruzo bwegese bwa Uganda inyuma.
Government of the Republic of Uganda ekakora mistake eyetarigarayo shana yirukanga directly ekakira ukuhereza abagenya baryaha anomugene mukuru naba ni intambara n'uzafite aho class urukusha shule mutwara mkaga njobana hika muryango nkabuka n'urukushohora arukutunga miliyoni yina ukushogeza kwanje kufera
Birendo muto hatunkuzirendo mukuru tinkareba go muntu rukundo murumo gwe ko mushomesa mwe myenda kubasima ntine bugarukiro kandi ngarike mbashabe abo kuba muri abantu abetegerize munonga konka uahambo
budget na allocation uzikobo cabinet mutubere to parliament gwebanye parliament te kwindura budget ya government twagira ngo abo twabahereza itanu nuzoezo zitanu taba twaje mutwabahereza 10 nizezo nizikumi aba parliament bagenda baza ngurero bari nanka tukubigindura bazamba handika tubese wazo murutaro
Abebembezi b'edini mu district ya Mtoma basimirwa habwo mu mugwara hango gubariyo nibakora ombuhereza bwabo.
Congratulate West Angole Diocese on this landmark celebration and thank you for the committed leadership you offer to the diocese.
Omugani makuru abiciriza behananjizibwe kufa munonga hamwe na omwichi kandi ebigambirwa omuhwezi wa President Jessica Arpo amukorgo kwigura ishomero rya St Elizabeth Girls Secondary School omuri Kikumbo omuri Katerera.
Be honest, hardworking, disciplined and humble, but above all, be God-fearing. Focus on your studies and do not get excited or carried away by the material things of this world. Through education, you are the torch leading the way for your families.
Imwe bishimwe kirya harimwe ruhanga yaja mu kigera ki ruhanga yaja mu kibasika kandi mbasa kuba barungi okukiraho ntabwo icyo kirya harimwe kuranga ishomereri byakorecho ekishemerire kuba nikikorwa
tekateka cyo gutandika w'ishomero kigatandika tukureba muri Katerera hatari mu ishomero y'abisiki akaba ari mu amashomero y'abasigazi kandi none kindi n'abana binji babisiki bagumana bargo mu ishomero at another stage so chamanyisa ngo abana abushangwa batini ishomero y'abisiki bagumana babarebera umwe abasigazi babasenda
aha mukoro ngo gumone member wa parliament wa Katerera ayanjure biri kuteganise chwekechi.
This place is popularly known for growing vanilla. People grew their vanilla, they supplied, the company exported their vanilla from them and the funds. They never paid them at all. So I appeal to you, I'll put this thing on the floor of Parliament. The Prime Minister has promised to work on it, but things have failed.
Ishomero ritanchiro mwaka ogwa hamusinje gwekerezia kandi obwa hatiryi n'abana kinana kandi omuhwezi wa President ahireyo miliyoni 10 okwera omukombeka dormitory.
Gambera abanyayuganda bona bariyongo na munonga abanyarubirizi wegese n'ekintunga abo kuba it is the foundation of holistic development and transformation of any community.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Ben Muhoz na Onesimus Ndianabo.